How to join special events in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and make sure you are logged into your account properly. Once you are on the main screen or lobby, look for banners or pop-up messages that announce ongoing special events, tournaments, or limited time challenges. Next, tap on the event banner or go to the menu section where the special events are usually listed. This might be labeled as events, promotions, or special offers. After that, choose the event you want to join and carefully read the event rules, requirements, and available rewards. Some events may require a minimum level or coin balance to participate. Now tap on Join or Participate to enter the event. Some events might automatically enroll you when you meet the conditions, while others need manual entry. Once you are in, follow the objectives listed in the event details to maximize your rewards. This could include tasks like reaching a specific score, playing certain games, or logging in daily. Now you know how to join special events in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.